Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Naomi Nekesa 375. Guys, thank you for watching me, and thank you for your subscriptions. Guys, the thing I'm requesting from you, it's just a subscriptions, then like my video, then share to others. Otherwise, you comment. You can comment there down there and tell me how to move. It is my first video to do in YouTube channel, and so excited to do this video because of I want to grow together with you. New YouTubers, let's gather here. We have share. We share how to grow like others, and I know I will make it like others. You know, better tukae hapa kuliko to hang on that side, on this side, because young people are gaining from YouTube, and even me, I try this to gain in my life. So I'm using just my phone because it is a journey to start this, but I hope vitu zikienda poa, I will just buy my instrument and shoot like others. But for now, allow me to use my phone to shoot this short video, because it's just a morning. It is 10:26 now. I've decided to do this video, my first video. I hope I'll gain views and I'll gain subscribers to this video. The thing I want to talk, by the way, sit tuned to this my channel. Things are coming hot, and I will be shooting every day. If I get views, I will just going shooting every day, and I will showing you things, new things, new life as I'm moving on. Okay, so thing I want to talk about is about Oga Obinna hosting in YouTube. Just host people that are mature, people are grown-ups. Don't host that nonsense to your channel. We have come far with